Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be explaining the rain detector working model. Actually, this rain detector working model is really useful for our real life, especially in our homes where we dry the clothes in the sun. Suddenly, if it rains, these clothes get wet again. For this kind of problem, when it rains, this cloth should not get wet. What is the solution for this? So in order to solve this problem, to save these cloths from rain, so we have implemented a very simple working model. In order to implement this rain detector model, we have used simple things like two blades we have used, and we have 9-volt battery, and also we have used DC motor. The basic concept in implementing this rain detector is very simple. We have used two blades here, and which is connected to a battery and a DC motor. Here the concept is simple. If we put a drop of water, there is a conductivity happens from this blade to this blade. Whenever the conductivity happens from this blade to this blade, this acts as a switch. When that happens, this DC motor will rotate. Whenever this DC motor rotates, the cloth which we dried here, this will rotate. When it rotates, it goes below the terrace of this building. When it happens, definitely it gets saved from the rain. Now we will try to depict how this working model really works by pouring certain water here. It simulates rain. Now when we put a water, now you see what happens. See, now this cloth goes below the terrace. Now even if it rains heavily, our class will get saved from the rains. That is the overall concept of this working model. If you wanted to showcase this demonstrated one more time, what we should do is we should clean up these blades. Then only you can demonstrate one more time in the science exhibition. Now again you clean up these wet things in the blade. Now again pour it. Now again you see this working model really works. Now you see again it stopped. Again it moved to below the terrace. This demonstration gives an idea how this working model really useful for our day-to-day needs, especially to save our clothes from the rain. I hope you guys got a clear idea now how this rain detector working model really works, and this is very useful if you wanted to demonstrate it in inspiration projects. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button. If you guys are not subscribed, do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.